Hi, my name is Marina, and today we are continuing with our series of videos called AI in Agriculture, One Idea a Day. So today's idea is about quality assurance using computer vision and deep learning. And to make this idea more visually appealing, I would like to share this slide and briefly tell you about the problem and the solution. So the problem is, and here we are looking at specifically soft fruits, but basically this problem is for other cases as well, other crops as well, I mean. And maybe in the future I will show more examples, but let's say with blueberries. Problem is that as other soft fruits, blueberries are very sensitive regarding the environment where they are stored on the post-harvest stage. And based on this, we need to understand on the first stage after post-harvest, we need to understand what do we have at all. So when you have harvested your blueberries and they go to the assessment stage, you need to know the size of the blueberries, you need to know how many of them are pink still, not ripe, let's say, and also you need to know how damaged they are. Maybe there are some mold present, or maybe some other defects which will not add any value for the consumer. So that's why you need to collect these not very good berries from the harvested selection, and then you are standing in front of your tray and trying to assess what is good, what is bad. Or if you are doing it on permanent basis, you have the standard operational procedure, and you are doing on because if you are growing them a lot, you need to have them on standardized level for each batch, for each week, for each month, the same, and just track the size. Are you still following the standards? So that's why you are just having this ruler in front of you, and you have some background, and you are placing these berries in rows and trying to assess, are they similar or not, are they matching? But still it requires a lot of time. Especially there is also some human factor when you are working and you think, okay, I think this must be here, but this must be here, and then your colleague comes and says, I think you should replace this a little bit here because they are almost the same. So this almost the same, it's very subjective value. And I will return to this point many times in the future, but almost the same can be wiped out using AI. So the factor of personal attitude to something can be standardized using the same approach for all assessment. And in this photo, which you can see on the right hand side of the screen, there is a demonstration how all blueberries in this specific selection has been counted. Because yes, the count, it looks like it's quite quick process. They are separated, they are not on the plant, so it's already easier. But still to count how many of them? 227 blueberries, it takes time. So first of all, it's counting. Secondly, it's about the measuring the size. So you see this calibrating plate on the right hand side here on the lower, no, it's not the right hand side, it's left hand side, lower corner on the left. It's about the sizing of the fruits. And also based on this, it's possible to get standard deviation. So how different, what is the allocation of sizes within this batch. And the final stage is about defects. But it's interesting that it depends on variety a lot, because what we see in practice that for some blueberries, when they are growing in field and they are sprayed with some specific agricultural input, we have some visual pattern of leftovers of this input, and it also impacts how the AI algorithm is assessing the full batch which is taken within the photo. And when we apply the same algorithm for fruits from another variety which was grown thousands of kilometers away, the algorithm assess it sometimes not in the same correct way as it works with initial photos. So that's why it's very important to learn and relearn do the machine relearning, not just learning, but relearning based on specific customized data set. And I think it's enough for today, because I can speak a lot and tell about the blueberries a lot because I love them so much. Yes, but let's stop. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.